Hi, I'm Dave from Thomas Jacks, and this is the new Taurus thermal front add-on from Pixfra. If you want to extend your hunt beyond daylight this easily, then this is a serious contender. Now, it's a Pixfra, so we'll definitely be talking about the price, but I'll also go through some of the key features, as well as a few little tips and shortcuts that really set this thing apart. We'll start off with the Taurus T425. This one has got a 384 by 288 12 micron sensor. It's got a 25mm f1 lens and is only 1,300 quid. This option doesn't have a laser rangefinder, but if you want to add a laser rangefinder to the T425, that's 1,500 quid. Pretty good for an entry-level thermal scope with a laser rangefinder. Or if you need more thermal detail, is the Taurus T650. This one has got a 640 by 512 12 micron sensor, a 50mm f1 lens, and only costs £2,400. Options both without and with a laser rangefinder, and if you want the laser rangefinder, that's 2,650 quid. Now, you will need an adapter to fit your particular day scope. Pixfra do an option, but you can buy an aftermarket option if you want. These add about 100 quid and will go from bell sizes of the objective lens of 45mm up to 65mm. If you've got a day scope of 4x base mag or less, then these are going to be brilliant. But your day scope can also zoom in up to about 10x mag to really get into the detail, because built into the Taurus, and this is all Taurus models, is a whopping 1920 by 1080 0.49 of an inch OLED display. And while we're on mag, here's a couple of tips that will help. So if you hold down the right button on the Taurus, it'll rescale the menu for you. And rescaling the menu to make it smaller means that when you're zoomed in, you can still see detail like your laser rangefinder information, as well as what's going on within the menu options. And the other quick tip for you, if you hold down the front button and the right button at the same time, it zooms in and then zooms back out again, which gets you closer to the action just at the tap of a couple of buttons. Now, all of these models weigh about 700 grams with a battery included, with a mount included. So it's not adding very much weight, and everything, all the controls here, are just within the 10cm additional reach of the end of your day scope. If that's too far for you, they all come with a Bluetooth remote that replicates all the buttons on the device. Now, to pair that is really simple. Just hold down the middle button until it starts flashing blue. When it does, hold down the two outer buttons on your device and it's paired. Now, it does come with a little cradle that you can attach anywhere to your rifle, so you can have the controls closer to hand in use. And that's just a magnet that holds it in place. You'll get between 6 and 7.5 hours use on a single charge on these, depending on the model that you've chosen and also the conditions that you're operating in. But they're really easy to swap out. You get two batteries. It's a really nice military build quality to these things. They've got a solid magnesium alloy body as well. And all the controls are really simple to use. Focus, menu button, a tap on that will take you to the quick menu to control all the image characteristics like brightness, contrast and sharpness. A long tap on it will take you into the main menu for everything else, like connecting it to your phone, zeroing, and loads of other stuff that you probably didn't even realise you needed until you find it. So if you're looking for a thermal and you like the adaptability of a front add-on, then check out the Pixfra Taurus at tj-fieldsports.co.uk, because it's got loads of features. There's options with and without a laser rangefinder, and it's all at Pixfra prices. We will be doing more videos on the Taurus, so don't forget to subscribe. I'm Dave at Thomas Jacks. Thanks for watching.